I'm right here in the 27th Avenue and Bethany home and the beer and wine liquor store, and is one guy with a gun outside. I don't know what intention, but he cut in the gun and go inside the store. It's like white guy with shorts.
He has a gun and he went inside the beer and liquor store?
Yes, and he cut the gun. He put he showed the in the door.
Hey, can you stop?
Talk to us.
Hey, hands out of your pocket.
Hands out of your pocket.
Hey, hands out of your pocket, dude. Hey, hands. Hey, can you stop?
Talk to us.
Hey, hands out of your pocket.
Hands out of your pocket.
Hey.
Hands out of your pocket. Hey! Come outside.
I'm on the floor.
Come outside, ma'am. Come outside. Come outside.
Over here.
Over there.
I'm going.
As officers moved residents out of the house, they saw Omar sitting on the floor. He told officers he had accidentally fired the
Why were
handgun.
you shooting?
I wasn't shooting though. Right now when I tried to open the door, it went off.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why it went off.
After the last occupant exited,
Come on.
officers had Omar crawl outside where he was detained.
Let me see your hands.
Where's the gun?
Fine, that's fine.
Do not reach for your pocket. You will be shot.
Hands
I
up.
know, I don't got no guns, man. I don't got no
Keep
guns.
scooting now until I tell you to stop.
That's fine, that's fine. That's fine.
Keep going. Come on.
That's fine. I don't got no guns.